This unique oil of its kind improves baldness, combats dandruff and grows hair. Benefits from the first application. Amla oil has been used for centuries in Indian medicine, traditional Ayurvedic medicine, because of its many beneficial uses. A popular natural treatment is the use of hair oil. In fact, amla oil is used by both men and women as part of the care of their hair. In this video we will explain how your hair can benefit from the use of amla oil, and yes, there is some truth in the claims that amla oil is good for hair growth. What is amla oil? The amla tree, Phyllanthus emplica, is sometimes called the Indian gooseberry and produces an acidic fruit that resembles a gooseberry. In Ayurveda, most of the plant is used for its therapeutic and cosmetic properties. Amla oil is not extracted from the tree or fruit. It is produced by drying the fruit and then dipped in coconut oil or sesame oil. The oil is purified and ready for use. Sometimes, the oil is produced by the boiling of the fruit or by extracts of the amla tree in the coconut oil. The use of hair oil is not only popular in India, but it is becoming more and more popular with people around the world. Benefits of amla oil for hair. Amla oil contains many properties that make it an excellent product for hair care. Although the fruit of the amla tree is very rich in vitamin C, which is a well-known antioxidant and helps remove the skin from free radicals, it is difficult to know exactly how much of the vitamin C content is conserved in the oil itself. But studies have also shown that the fruit contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Because amla oil is made through the use of natural oils, it also contains fatty acids that help nourish and moisturize your hair.